Hello, 101.5 FM.
Okay, questions I busa or any answers I would my any okay panel no or pusher a show grind.
Oh, no dear can make jai uti can make vetting process no dear. No create woman say there's a specific formatter. Mejitum say and for jina so at the year. Until say or more day final report ebebano. Sebi mean to me.
It won't
but to the best of my knowledge, when I appeared before our venerable vetting committee, no create woman say ebisame. Say me introduce me home. Me nda me ho di who is Collins Osu Amankwa. So the mention to say wo chim. We are sebi wani so ade hu no. Dear Niama na what me identify say your challenges. Now, how do you intend to solve it? Kwan be na be fa so a sa problems a wo adwene ogitum se Kumasi for ekom na wani so ade hu no obetimi e de see sa problems na no. No kre ni ohwemu a mpoye ne aye ko nyina no open nipa baako a onike ye me aye adwuma chepa ye me a ye nipa na ye yi animu asabi ye nyina adehye ye pre no opede onike ye me aye adwuma acha ye me a if nothing at all kra na my ex-official member of the assembly for 8 years before then kra na me youth organize answer na me ba be establish a clean city initiative me jetum se na okromo ha wonim eba environmental issues eba sanitation management clean city adwuma eba be ye da santima nyina animu adaja pacho wuti enti minim problem no KMA sebi minim assembly no finances na hoden minim environmental issues chrono because Kumasi ye krokesi na sakra na ye ba beti sebi Kumasi Metropolitan Assembly no ye demra nete ye Legislative Instrument 1614 of Local Government Act 1988 NPNDC Law 207 and on ye day establishing 10 sub-metropolitan district councils ye KMA Pachowuti and on na even 2012 NDC abreso ye de LI 2260 no eba ya no ye de beti ye nuanom asokore mamponfo edi wo mu efiri mu enti ebeka 9 sub metropolitan district councils eno achi no so MPP abreso so no over the current law Local Governance Act no vis-a-vis LI 2260 no eno na establish the current KMA as say aka 5 sub metros mejitum say the whole city enti wo hwe mu kra na manageable kakra as compared to anena na eye 10 no however still so metropolitan area bia ewo Ghana hase
all right
so the mention Kumasi nsachare bebre aba and Kumasi always dwells on this past glories but ene no kra no sa past glories no so no ye ka ho asema na ebiza say na Garden City no so we because before say ye ba be Kumasi Metropolitan Assembly na Kumasi City Council that was before 1995 we beautiful layout we greenery serena na Kumasi kra but only me be ya adwene say ye kuri obi a sebi ya wo me ha ya tete me ha mako school manyini madimu mrahye bedwani ewa ha nyina no having had an encyclopedic view of the city no chief
Unya 40 years ache.
Pachozen
Unya 40 years ache.
Oh sir manya 40 years
The man was say I was a crew him for him penny fool. Now when you're too young for this job a man for a breaking laws. No, Makuja to an about young boy, or if you like, young man. Can you stand up to the big men and tell them no?
Oh, so her minia no one me committee so and ono na oye Greater Accra Regional Minister Henry Kota on the mechano. Sabi say nimfi na nko animu bebre. It's all about leadership. No, me ma faton so it's all about leadership. Sabi emrade mention no for share mensa no. Before 2012. Any 2020 me ja constituency the to ho no. Obia wo constituency ni bia nim se a free crow from Nekosi Diasi. Sabi e kwan kra na yenya bi na ye de age fans. Any other infrastructure development, poor drainage system ni nyema bebre. But ene obia nim se me leave solid legacy. Empo obia ompema se mo kra no etime ka se abrantie. It's all about leadership. Say a minister for roads and highways appear before vetting committee. Now otime ka se menya akwanya ba beye osoafo a mehwe se Kumasi akwan, particularly Collins constituency. TV so be a hebia. It tells you say na a bad lobbying skills Nyankopon. And politics is all about influence. We are young, when yini na uni influencer. You are not connected. And the do baby so a favor. Uni sa de na ubetimi dia pulia. Sebi. Say longevity is not the only route to knowledge. And the hard idea, men per se. Say the poor kind no say Timothy kind say Emma obia embracebi o wa brand here o ye no akuma. Let no man despise thy youth. Enti no me jitum say a brainway o share generational change na. Monkey play by their sizes. O here Kumasi economy no. O here active workforce ni nyina na. Predominantly no eye emrantie ne mabawa. Eti emrantie ne mabawa hwe edwai mebei hwe omo ti dwomu ya omo di dwai dodo na eye emabunu. Enti no se omo nya omo nua na ye kire omo se da bi aha na ye pese ye de ye kuro ne fa because sabi enne ebibremu ha ye pe first 30 to 40 beautiful cities are. Kumasi is still missing. Kumasi is missing. Enti sabi ametuwa na eyameya. Na ushe impo ahu eba oman yekuro pon Kumasi mu a. Mami kansi so se opemso ekonfa so ya ne niema na wa amamre ne amane fefefa adase nyina wiase nyina di ho adanse se otumfo sabi wama chieftaincy aya kono no enu nti obi kra bedroom kran ya ozo anya me ba Kumasi ba oba no obehwe menhia mezion. Beyond that edien enetimi elio or anase enticing crowd to visit our city. And in order to ensure vibrant, eclectic, and more culturally rich city, no?
Chief,
unya leadership.
Okay, until the final.
Strong leadership.
Chairman Sefa can also start. Seme ko join Ntino.
Ebrenu sa. Kakra me can say. Eniema be miensa na yenhwe ni ye. One. Ekwan be ne be fa so asebi 1,000 tons of waste ya ye generate no. Ebeba mfa so ama yen. And me media mani so ade hunu ni. Nyankopon wadom. Minya kwanya eko Bangalore. That was 2019.
I don't know where even.
Bangalore, India. Yes, it was air show. Many are soldier for the call. And Yamiadom, minya investors, they are ready. No matter turn a polluted city to a zero waste city. Ama sebi fino solid liquid gaseous waste, they convert it into biofuel.
Yesika.
Pacho say yesika kwa. Eti efini nyina yesika. Se Nyankopon ya adom Ghana manpanyin na appointing authority in consultation with traditional authorities. Say ye di Kumasi Kropon no she
Collins
Owusu Amankwa ensa. O de just market Nyankopon ne ye boafo. Obia be hunu se ye nua no anisoade hunu na ebre wo mu obe se me nsem bi a me kan. Eye practical. On se obi ho a akonwa to obeba abedwa nanum. But the make can be a practical. Ebi dia ye adwuma ma na ye yie.
Baby.
Baby. Because KMA is
running at loss. I wish we could continue
sure
on and on. But sada your platform is with here. So it's